Slack AI is a set of AI tools built into Slack. It searches, it summarizes, and it helps you build simple automations. It is good at that. This video covers what it does, which plan you need, what it costs, and where it stops if you run support. 3 things up front. Slack AI does 3 jobs. It searches, it summarizes, and it builds simple automations. $15 per active user a month on Business Plus is where most of it turns on, billed annually. And what you get depends on your plan. Slack splits these features across Pro, Business Plus, and Enterprise Plus. Here is the path. First, what Slack AI is. Then, the 3 things it does. Then, what it costs. Then, where it stops for support. And finally, who it is enough for. Start with the basics. There is nothing to install here. Slack AI is not a separate app or another browser tab. It sits in the Slack you already use. You ask questions in normal language instead of guessing keywords. You get the short version of a long channel or thread, and you build a basic workflow by describing what you want it to do. The raw material is your own chat history. Worth knowing before you turn it on. Slack says customer data stays in Slack-controlled infrastructure. It is not used to train third-party large language models, and answers follow the channel and message permissions the person asking already has. Slack can show citations so people can check the source. Admins can also switch off individual AI features. Now the features. 3 of them cover most of what people use. Start with search. You ask it like you would ask a coworker. What is Project Phoenix? Who is leading the Q3 marketing campaign? It does not hand you a list of messages, it writes an answer, and it cites the messages, files, or canvases it used, so you can click through and check it yourself. Second, summaries. Thread summaries pull the highlights out of a long, messy thread in one click. Channel summaries cover your unread messages the last week, or a date range you pick, and recaps send you a daily digest of the channels that matter to you. This is the part people miss most after a week off. Third, automation. Building a workflow used to need some technical skill. Now you type what you want in plain language. Welcome new members to the onboarding channel and ask them to introduce themselves. Slack drafts the steps for you. There is also a summarize public channel step, which is handy for a weekly report. Here is where teams get real value. Onboarding. A new developer asks what the Python coding standards are, instead of interrupting a senior engineer. Project updates. A workflow summarizes the campaign channel every Friday and posts it to marketing leads. Incidents. An engineer joins a chaotic channel mid-crisis, reads the thread summary, and starts helping. So what do you pay? And what does each plan actually include? Slack bundles the AI into its paid plans. Conversation summaries and huddle notes start on Pro. AI search answers and recaps need Business Plus, so do file summaries and translations. Workflow automation and Slackbot also sit on Business Plus. Enterprise search across approved outside sources is Enterprise Plus only. Here is the number. Business Plus is $15 per active user a month, billed annually, pay monthly, and it is $18. Enterprise Plus is custom pricing, so you have to ask. One thing to watch. Legacy plans can have different access, so check Slack's current plan table before you buy. This part gets misquoted a lot. People say Slack AI only reads Slack. That is too broad now. On Business Plus, it reads your Slack conversations and files. On Enterprise Plus, Enterprise Search can also reach approved outside sources. The real question is not whether Slack can ever look outside. It is whether your plan and your connectors cover the sources you need. Now the part support and IT leaders need to hear. Follow one question through, it lands in a channel or a thread. Slack AI answers it, or summarizes it, or puts it in a recap. Then acting on it is a separate step. Workflow Builder and installed agents can call other apps, but only with the steps, scopes, and admin permissions you set up. Tagging a ticket, updating a record, escalating to a person. None of those are automatic. Slack's own AI is strongest at search, writing, recaps, and summaries. It is not, on its own, a Zendesk ticket triage agent, a Shopify order agent, or a Jira service desk agent. To get those outcomes, you need the connected app, or a support agent built for the job with the right permissions. When you talk to customers, you cannot wing it. You need tone you can trust. You need strict rules for when the AI hands off to a human. And you want a dry run on past tickets before anyone sees a reply. Slack AI is a general productivity layer. Admins can control access to AI features, but ticket tone, escalation and testing come from whatever support agent you connect. It comes down to two gaps. Knowledge first. For a support answer, the source is often a past ticket, a help center, or developer docs, and your plan may not reach those. Action second. Resolving a case in the help desk, not just reporting on it in Slack. Those are the two things the support team leans on hardest. None of that makes it a bad tool. It makes it a tool with a clear job. It splits cleanly. Slack AI is enough if you want internal teams to work faster, if the answers already live in your Slack history, and if summaries and recaps are the win you are after. You need a support agent as well if your answers live in a help desk or a wiki, if you need the AI to act rather than report, or if you want to test on past tickets first. 3 things to take away. Slack AI is good at search, summaries, and simple automations inside Slack. $15 per active user a month on Business Plus is where most of it turns on, and it reports a problem well, while resolving that problem is a separate job with separate tools. If those 2 gaps are the ones you are hitting, that is where eesel AI fits. It reads your help desk, your help center, your docs, and your past tickets, alongside Slack. Its agents take real actions, tag a ticket, update a customer record, escalate a case, and simulation runs it on your past tickets first, so you read the answers before a customer does. Billing is pay as you go per ticket, with no per seat fee. Connect a help desk and run the simulation free, with no credit card. The forecast comes from your own queue, not a slide. The full Slack AI guide is linked in the description.